5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I press the button.
The bridge was officially opened on 1st July 2018.
All along the French Riviera, or the Côte d'Azur.
I'm Mark, for those of you who don't know. I'm one of the Amsterdam tour guides on holiday.
It's 26th Street for 26th birthday.
I am excited. My name is Anna. Just in case there is someone who haven't been in my tours, then just drop by.
So much everyone for joining us today for women's engagement.
Part of your 50th birthday celebrations will be doing a virtual tour in Nottingham. Doesn't sound very likely, you know what, but that's what's happened.
Thanks to this wonderful Heygo community and platform, I know that I am not alone. During the day, I felt your support because I had tons of messages and all your kind words on the Facebook page.